Ready to unlock some serious travel savings? Let's dive into how to use your Agoda Cash to snag amazing hotel deals. Assuming you already have an Agoda account, start by opening the Agoda app or head to the Agoda website. Make sure you are logged in. Next, tap on the profile icon, usually located in the corner of your screen. It commonly looks like a person's silhouette or your account picture if you've added one. Look for Agoda Cash or a similar option in your profile menu. Tap on it to view your available balance. This is your gateway to savings. Now for the fun part. Search for the hotel you want to book. Just like you normally would, enter your destination, dates, and number of guests. Browse through the hotel options and select the one that suits your needs and budget. Pay attention to the prices shown for each room type. On the booking summary page, before you finalize your payment, you will find a section to apply your Agoda Cash. Look for something similar to apply Agoda Cash or a checkbox indicating Agoda Cash usage. Check the box or tap the button to apply your Agoda Cash. You will instantly see the discounted price, your total lowered according to your Agoda Cash balance. Review your booking details to confirm the discount has been applied correctly. Once you're satisfied, complete your booking by entering your payment information. Congratulations! You just saved money on your hotel stay using Agoda Cash. Enjoy your trip, and remember to keep earning that Agoda Cash for future adventures. Make travel more affordable by using Agoda's loyalty program.